Hi, boys and girls. My dog Champ is going to help me teach you to read and spell. You are going to read and spell the word dog. Here's a picture of Champ with a baby dog. Aren't they cute? Dog. Say that with me. Dog. D-O-G spells dog. Say dog with me. Dog. Great job. Here is Champ with another cute dog. Dog. Say dog, boys and girls. Dog. Dog. Repeat after me. D. O. G. Spells what? Dog. Let me hear it again, boys and girls. Dog. Great job. What animal was that, boys and girls? Yes, a dog. And how do we spell dog? D. O. G. Dog. Boys and girls, do you want to hear the sound that Champ makes? Champ is a dog, and he makes a certain sound. Let's listen.
Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Stop.
A dog goes woof, woof, woof. Try it with me, boys and girls. Woof, woof, woof. Great job. Dog. Say it with me. Dog. Again. Hi again, boys and girls. Isn't this the cutest little cat? We're going to learn how to spell the word cat. Say cat with me. Cat. 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 Say it. Cat. Spell after me. C. A. T. Spells what? Cat. Here are some more cats. And here's my cat meowing. Meow. Say it with me, boys and girls. Meow. Meow. What does the cat say? Meow. Boys and girls, listen carefully as Coley speaks to Champ.
Listen to my ass, man.
Cat. C. A. T. Spells what? Cat. Dog. D. O. G. Spells what? Dog. Boys and girls, we are gonna have fun spelling the names of farm animals. Cow. Cow. C-O-W. Spells what? Cow. What sound does a cow make, boys and girls? Moo. Say it with me. Moo. Hen. Hen. H-E-N. Spells what? Hen. What sound does a hen make? Cluck. Say it with me. Cluck, 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 cluck. You're doing such a great job. Let's keep spelling some farm animals. Pig. Pig. P-I-G. Spells what, boys and girls? Pig. What sound does a pig make? Oink! Say it with me. Oink! Cow. C-O-W. Hen. H-E-N. Pig. P-I-G.
Guess what, boys and girls? You boys and girls are getting smart.